It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 F-150 XLT in antimatter blue, black sporting clear interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. You also have this nice running board, integrated trailer brake assist, and you've got a trailer tow hitch, power sliding rear window, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 2.7-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, all-weather mats with the F-150 badging, electronic parking brake, high mount light, and your lighting controls, auto stop start for less idle time. There's a running board and grab handle, just makes it easier to get in. And on the face of the steering wheel, we have our lane keeping, cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. And it has sub-menus. And we'll just go there. And in the center, little cubby up top, parking assist. And we're seeing our big display here right now. We've got navigation. You can choose your destination. You have a side menu there that'll change as you go through different options. So we're going to go into audio, and we're going to go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can go into our settings, and again, you've got options in there. Just slide through for what you'd like. And then in your features, you have your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. This is also where we're going to see our backup camera view. So when we put our vehicle in reverse, we're going to see where we are in space, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. And this is just a protective cover. So let's put us back into park, volume and tuner. And then we have our camera, because we have a 360. So we're able to see what's going on ahead of us. We're not in gear. We're simply taking a look. Hazard lights, traction control, and we have our dual climate control, dual heated seats, your AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, as well as your fan. Down below, USB-C and USB in a nice little cubby. And then you've got your Pro Trailer backup, your integrated trailer brake controller, and your drive mode, along with your 4x4. So we've dialed through the drive mode, and we're going to go in normal. Then to the right, slippery, off-road. So you're shifting into 4x4, and you can see the tracks there. So you've got a visual as well as to where you're at. And then we're going to go to the left, which is tow haul, eco, and sport. And you notice the icons change for each one. So as weather and road conditions change, if you're towing, whatever you're doing, it will allow you to go into different drive modes. And then we have our automatic select shifter. We can make it go down and flat, and that just gives us a little bit of a flat surface, a couple of cup holders. We can bring it back up. Your armrest opens up, and there's a nice little bin in there. You can take that out. Lots of room down below. Also a place to connect. And we have a 12-volt as well as a 120. 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking. Grab handle in the body. We have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and your power sliding rear window. That's the control for that. And you're all set to go. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, and body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. And it has a black appearance package. You'll notice the blacked out design. Just above the handle is where the backup camera is located, LED light to the right, backup sensors on your bumper, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer hitch. When you want to open it up, simply put your hand in the latch and just press the button. It'll come right down, and you've got tie downs in all 4 corners. As well, you've got an outlet located here, and then off to the back, just when you're ready to bring it up, just put your hand in the handle, push up, and then you can lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, grab handle in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Just lift the seat with one hand, and it gives you more room on the floor. You've got an all-weather mat as well as carpeted mats. And then just pull the tab, brings it down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a couple more cup holders, and you've got USB outlets as well as the 120. Grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Camera and trailer tow hitch in the rear, 5.5-foot box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back, windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, integrated turn signals, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.